Hello everybody, it's Mother's Day today, and because it's Mother's Day I'm going to work on making my mom a surprise Mother's Day gift out here in the shop. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet, but I can tell you that it's going to involve some railroad spikes, some forging, and some fabrication. There's a little bit of everything today. Alrighty, so you guys come along for the ride. First step we do is put a slight curve in it. We're starting to get there, just need to keep bringing it over. Now we just continue that end. We're getting there. Bringing the head down. So I can get the bend in a little bit tighter. Use the party hold here. Just help push it into place. Alright, let me go grab the other one, see how they're matching up. Pretty close. Need to tighten this one up just a tad bit. Right in here. And then fix the bottom a bit, and then it's all for that part. Pretty good. I just gotta squash down the ends on these a little bit. Alright, next part is to flatten down the tip a little bit so they meet at the bottom a little more flush. I'm going to do that, just lay it down over the apple like this and then just back down the tip. Just like that. Now I got the other one. Already kind of like that. Grab it out of the hardy hole. Put them together. We're working on making a heart. Alright. Alright, well, we got the majority of the project done so far. We're taking the railroad spikes and we're made a heart out of them. Let me show you that. Right there. Okay. It's not so much about the shape that's going to be on the outside of it. I like the shape of the heart on the inside is what I was going for. Okay. Then we're going to fabricate it together, like weld it together so it's one piece. And then get a chain that'll go across the top so you can hang it up. And then throw it back once get everything all welded, grind the welds down, throw it back in the forge to get the fire scale back on it and make it all look like one piece. And then after that, probably just wire brush it and wax it and everything like that and finish it. Alright, next step here is to grind off some of the scale from the forging so that way we can weld everything together. Alrighty, here we go. Yeah, it's getting all cleaned up. That's probably pretty good for this one, on this side anyway. Or on the other one. There's ready. Next we just got to do the head of the railroad spike, but I'm going to use the bench grinder for that. Alright, I'm going to start grinding these up. All clean. All clean. Got everything all set up, ready to weld. Here we go. That turned out pretty well. Well, this is how far we are on the surprise Mother's Day present and project. We have it all welded up, all welded together. I ground down the welds. It's got this chain on it from my mom's old bicycle she had a long time ago. So I thought that'd be a nice little touch to put on it. And basically all I'm going to do now is throw her back in the forge to get some scale built up back over the spots that have been welded and ground down and stuff. So that way everything looks flat in one piece. And then that should be good. Got her in there heating up right now. Alright, pull her out, see how she's looking. Yep. Alright, now I'll let it cool off and just out in the air and let some scale form on it. Alright. She's all finished. You see? I heated up and beeswaxed it. That's what gives it the black finish. But, so, can't wait to see what my mom has to say about this. Thank you guys for joining me on this project, and I know it's not how I usually do it, like tell you what we're making, go step by step, but I wanted this video to be a surprise for everyone watching. And alright, well, since this is a Mother's Day episode, I'd like to say thank you for everyone out there who's watching that is a mother, and enjoy your special day. And also, thank you for working so hard and sacrificing so much to help raise your children and do everything right. And for a special thank you to my own mom, I love you very much. Thank you for everything you've done for me and everything you've given up for me. Thank you very much. And for everyone who liked this video and enjoyed it, let me know what you thought about it in the comments, and ideas for what you think I should do for future videos, things like that. And if you saw things I did wrong or should have done that would have been a little bit better, please let me know. Thank you. Please like and subscribe and share this video. Thank you very much.